first, let's understand the problem. Some recent Windows 11 updates have changed how the operating system manages disk usage and storage indexing. Features like aggressive disk optimization, indexing, or background updates can create constant read-write activity. While this isn't usually a problem for modern SSDs, older HDDs with moving parts can wear out faster under continuous load. Users have reported slow performance, excessive disk usage in Task Manager, and even corrupted files in extreme cases. So, what should you do right now? The first step is to check your disk health. You can use built-in tools like CHKDSK or third-party apps to scan for errors, bad sectors, or failing hardware. Running these checks early can prevent data loss. If errors are found, consider backing up your important files immediately. Next, look at disk usage and background activity. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager, and check which processes are using the most disk resources. Some Windows Update tasks or indexing services can be paused or delayed to reduce stress on the drive. You can also adjust storage optimization settings in Windows to prevent constant background activity that may harm older drives. Another essential step is backing up your data. Whether you use an external hard drive, a cloud service, or both, make sure all critical files are safely copied. If your hard drive is already showing signs of failure, this step could save you from losing everything. For those with older HDDs, you may also want to consider upgrading to an SSD. Not only will this solve many of the performance issues caused by heavy disk activity, but SSDs are more resistant to wear from constant read-write cycles and offer much faster speeds. Finally, if a particular Windows 11 update is known to cause disk issues, you can roll back the update temporarily or pause updates until a fix is released. Microsoft often releases patches to address bugs that negatively impact hardware performance, so staying informed is key. In summary, the hard drive killer update isn't necessarily malicious, but it can push older HDDs to their limits. By checking your disk health, reducing unnecessary background activity, backing up your data, and considering an SSD upgrade, you can protect your drive and keep your system running smoothly. If this guide helped you protect your hard drive and fix Windows 11 update issues, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech tutorials and solutions. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.